Welcome everyone. Today in this lesson we are going to learn about the CPU, that is the Central Processing Unit. The processing unit of a computer is Central Processing Unit. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. The CPU does all the calculations of the computer. As we know what our brain does for us, it remembers things and takes decisions. It also does calculations and many other things. The CPU is known as the brain of the computer. The computer does all its work through the CPU. Here we can see two pictures of the CPU. One is the back of the CPU, which is showing us the outer panel and ports. In other pictures we can see the internal view of the CPU box. Now let us know about the main parts of the CPU. That means the CPU has three main functional components. These are ALU, CU and MU. Here in this diagram we can see the working process of a computer system. Now let us see the three main activities of working of a computer system. Input, taking input through input devices. Processing, the execution of data and instruction in ALU. Output, displaying the processed data in a location depending upon programs or instructions. Now let us discuss about the three main functional components of the CPU. Arithmetic and Logic Unit, ALU. It is a digital circuit used to perform arithmetical and logical operations. Control Unit, CU. It controls the flow of information in the system. It tells other part of the computer what they should do. It works like a traffic policeman who controls the traffic on the road. Memory Unit, MU. It holds the processed or unprocessed data. Memory is a container that holds the data of a computer. Functions of the CPU. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, of a computer is a piece of hardware that carries out the instructions of a computer program. It performs the basic arithmetical, logical and input-output operations of a computer system. The CPU is like the brain of the computer. Every instruction, no matter how simple, has go through the CPU. So let's say you press the letter K on your keyboard and it appears on the screen. The CPU of your computer is what makes this possible.